Welcome to our channel. Learning version control with Git and GitHub is essential for modern software development, enabling collaboration and providing a safety net for your code changes. Step 1. Install Git on your computer by downloading it from the official website and verifying installation by running Git version in your terminal. Step 2. Configure Git with your name and email using git config commands, so your commits are properly attributed to you. Step 3. Create a GitHub account if you don't already have one, which will host your remote repositories and enable collaboration. Step 4. Initialize a Git repository in your project folder using the git init command, creating the hidden.git folder that tracks changes. Step 5. Add files to staging using git add, followed by file names or git add period to stage all changes, preparing them for commit. Step 6. Create your first commit using git commit with a descriptive message explaining what changes you made in this commit. Step 7. Create a new repository on GitHub through the web interface, noting the repository URL you'll need to connect your local project. Step 8. Connect your local repository to GitHub by adding a remote using git remote add origin, followed by your repository URL. Step 9. Push your code to GitHub using git push command, uploading your commits and making your code accessible online. Step 10. Develop a commit workflow by making changes, staging them with git add, committing with descriptive messages, and pushing regularly to GitHub. Your project is now safely version controlled and backed up on GitHub. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.